CH3, CH2, CH, here N, CH3, 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 CH. Here plus this is called as quaternary salt. So you see nitrogen having 4 side methyl, 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 4 side methyls, 3 side methyl, 1 side butyl, 4 side branches. Clearly, this side carbon bond, this side carbon bond, carbon bond, 4 sides are there. That's why this nitrogen is a what? Quaternary, ammonium. Now salt means here cation is there again. Here anion we are taking. That's why that is called as salt. Wherever nitrogen attached, this carbon is called as alpha. Next carbon is called as beta, here beta. So from alpha carbon, we are disconnecting carbon nitrogen bond. Wherever alpha. From alpha carbon nitrogen carbon bond disconnection. Next beta hydrogen important here. From alpha carbon carbon nitrogen bond cleavage. So here from beta carbon, what is Nana? Carbon hydrogen bond cleavage. So here removal of hydrogen from beta carbon. Carefully observe. That's why here 2 types of beta are there. This is primary beta, this is secondary beta. If primary beta removed one product, secondary beta removed one product. Primary removed, this is. Secondary removed, this is. Primary hydrogen removed, first one. First one is called as what here? Hoffman product. Second one is called as non-stable one. Alkene carbon and double bond ki ఎక్కువ బ్రాంచ్లు ఉన్న దానికి more stable. This is alkene one side branch. ఈ కార్బన్ ఎంత పొడవు ఉందో అవసరం లేదు. One side branch ఉంటుంది less stable. More side branch ఉంటే more stable. Here Hoffman product only major అన్నాం. Here Sedgwick product minor. Here less stable alkene only major nana. Less stable alkene only major, remember. Okay na? Now, మరి why here Hoffman? In this case, beta hydrogen from beta carbon, we are removing beta hydrogen as acidic hydrogen. We are removing as acidic hydrogen. That is as acidic hydrogen, Nana. But acidic, which is acidic? Here, among hydrogens, acidic character. Primary hydrogen more acidic than secondary hydrogen. Secondary hydrogen more acidic than tertiary. Among the hydrogens, carefully observe. From beta carbon, we are removing hydrogen as acidic. మళ్ళీ అందులో ఏది మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ అయితే అది ఈజీగా రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఏది మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ అయితే అది ఈజీగా రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ వన్ ఏది అంటే ప్రైమరీ సెకండ్ టెర్షియరీలో ప్రైమరీ హైడ్రోజన్ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్. ప్రైమరీ హైడ్రోజన్ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ దెన్ సెకండరీ దెన్ టెర్షియరీ. సో ఇక్కడ ప్రైమరీ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ కనుక అది ఈజీగా రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. Due to that, we are getting major product. Due to that, we are getting major product. Okay na? So we'll see the mechanism. అర్థమైంది Hoffman ఎందుకు major? That depends on acidic nature. Clarity వచ్చిందా? Why Hoffman major? Okay na? Now here we will see the mechanism. Once again, I am writing quaternary salt. Like this here, quaternary salt is there. Next one, what is there, Nana? Here OH minus is there. First here OH minus is what here? Base. You know, base ఇవ్వగానే దేంతో అటాక్ అయిదిరా? ఎసిడిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ తో అటాక్ అవుతుంది. బేస్ ఇవ్వగానే ఎసిడిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ తో అటాక్ అవుతుంది. మరి ఇప్పుడే అనుకున్నాం ఏది మోర్ ఎసిడిక్? ఏది మోర్ ఎసిడిక్? ప్రైమరీ, సెకండ్, టెరిషరీ. ఏది మోర్ ఎసిడిక్? ప్రైమరీ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్. పైన ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చాను. ప్రైమరీ, సెకండ్ హైడ్రోజన్ లో ప్రైమరీ కార్బన్ కి అటాక్ అయిన హైడ్రోజన్ ప్రైమరీ, secondary carbon attack in hydrogen secondary. The hydrogen which is attached to tertiary is called as tertiary hydrogen. Among these, which is more acidic? Primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Okay na? Carefully observe. So that's why here acidic hydrogen is their base. Now the base approaches the acidic hydrogen. CH3 here CH2, C here N, CH3 taken 3 plus. Now here primary hydrogen is there. What is there, Nana? Here OH. So OH approaching the acidic hydrogen. Whenever acidic hydrogen is there, here old bond ready to cleave. Carbon hydrogen bond. This carbon hydrogen bond ready to cleave. That's why here in between hydrogen and carbon, whenever hydrogen cleaves, here new bond is ready to form here. Whenever new bond is ready to form here, this old bond ready to cleave. All are at a time. The name andam nana. Emanale transition state annam. Transition state in step kaadani cheppanu meeku. Kada transition state step కాదనుకున్నాం. Okay, this is a reaction, single step reaction. Single step reaction ఏమన్నాం? Concerted reaction. Single step is called as concerted reaction. Whenever single step is there, no rearrangement and hydrogen shift, methyl shifts are not available. Hydrogen shift, methyl shifts are not available. Okay na? Single step concerted mechanism, no rearrangement, no hydrogen shift, no ring expansion. In dehydration we wrote examples, we discussed examples, rearrangement. Here no. After that what happened? Finally here this bond cleavage, here this bond cleavage. This is releases as what? NCH3, tertiary amine. This releases as what? Water. Tertiary amine and water released. Finally what happened here? Here is the double bond. A double bond forms at what, Nana? Less substituted side. So double bond here, less substituted side you are getting. So this is which product here? Hoffman. Therefore we are saying Hoffman is major Sedgwick product. This side also possible, secondary side also possible, but major product is Hoffman. This is the mechanism. Hoffman exhaustive methylation mechanism here. Now tell me, total single step means concerted means, then rate depends on what, Nana? Rate directly proportional to quaternary salt. Okay na, Nana? And here what? OH minus base. Both concentrations are important. That's why here this is one molecule, this is one molecule. Therefore mechanism is called as what here? Bimolecular. Two molecules are there. This is one, this is one. Two molecules are involved. That's why mechanism is considered as a bimolecular. Therefore, that is called as E2. E2 mechanism, Nana. Half-man exhaust methylation also considered as E2 mechanism. Okay, na? E2 only. E2 mechanism. Half-man exhaust methylation also E2. Here no rearrangement, nothing. Wherever is there at that place only you decide the product. Okay, na? Right. Next, withdrawing group. Withdrawing group. Withdrawing group, Nana, minus IE, minus ME. Increase the acidic character of beta hydrogen. If here withdrawing groups are there, beta hydrogen acidic nature increases. Then reactivity also increases. Withdrawing group is there, hydrogen acidic nature increased. Remember, withdrawing groups are there, beta hydrogen acidic nature increases. Beta hydrogen acidic nature increases. Okay, na? Now example we'll take CH3, CH2N, CH3, CH3 plus. Here we are giving heat. Tell me, where is the beta? This is alpha. Here is the beta. This is alpha, here alpha, here alpha. Only beta hydrogen side only cleavage. Beta hydrogen side only cleavage. Beta hydrogen side only cleavage. Therefore, here is the beta. This side only cleavage. This side only alpha. Means here cleavage, then here hydrogen. Okay, na? Now we are nitrogen having 3 side methyl cleavage over. This is releases as tertiary amine. Now here hydrogen releases as water OH. Here hydrogen release nitrogen means in between these two double bond. Double bond, Nana. Okay, now. Here only double bond. Okay, right. Next example. CH3, CH3, here CH3. Now here quaternary salt, nitrogen. Now heated with OH minus by heat. Tell me. Answer. First you check this is alpha hydrogen, here beta hydrogen, here beta. This beta is a tertiary, this beta is a primary. Now primary beta hydrogen removal important. Primary beta hydrogen removal important. That's why answer here CH3, here end carbon major. Okay, now this is a Abman product major. Now Sedja product is there. So due to tertiary we are getting Sedja. If tertiary hydrogen removed, you will get Sedja. But your Sedja product is minor, Nana. No rearrangement, only these two, that's all. No rearrangement, only these two. Okay, na? Now next. Here is the quaternary salt. OH minus by heat, Nana. What is our answer? So you check alpha, beta. Here nitrogen containing carbon alpha. Here is the beta. Here is the beta. Here is the beta. So this beta is secondary beta. This beta also secondary beta. But this beta is a primary beta. And these two secondary are same. Anyone you can remove. Whenever both are same, from any one of the carbon you remove hydrogen. But removal from primary hydrogen, primary carbon attached hydrogen is important. Your primary hydrogen readily released. Your carbon nitrogen bond cleavage, here this hydrogen cleavage. Therefore our answer, like this here, this is a bond. Here is the double bond. This is Hofmann product major. But hydrogen removed from secondary minor. Second, this side, this is a minor. Okay, na? Like this here, quaternary salt is going careful about that. Here unexpected product. Here less stable only major product. More stable one కాదు ఇక్కడ. Less stable alkene is the major. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇది. Abnormal behavior. Unexpected. Next example here. Like this quaternary salt. OH by heat, non answer. So here nitrogen, this one is considered as what here? Alpha carbon. Now this is a beta, tertiary beta. This is a beta carbon, secondary beta. So which one we will remove? Secondary hydrogen we can remove. Tertiary hydrogen also we can remove. Both are possible. But more acidic one, which is more acidic? Here, secondary hydrogen more acidic than tertiary, Nana. Secondary hydrogen more acidic than tertiary. That's why here secondary hydrogen removal important. Secondary hydrogen removal important. Now our answer here, secondary hydrogen. Here this is Hofmann product. So this is only major product. Here Hofmann product major. Now more substituted side, tertiary hydrogen side. This is there. This is a Sedgwick product. Sedgwick product. But Sedgwick product is what, Nana? Minor product. Sedgwick product is there. That is a minor. Okay, na? So like these two products are there. But Hofmann product only major. Okay. Now pH aromatic ring CH2 here N CH3 taken 3 OH minus by heat, Nana. pH CH2 CH2N. Then tell me answer. N attacked carbon is called as alpha. This is what, Nana? Beta. Alpha beta. From alpha carbon nitrogen bond cleavage. From beta carbon hydrogen cleavage. Therefore, what is our answer now? pH. Here C, here CH2. Then here is the double bond. The name of styrene, vinyl benzene. Vinyl benzene, styrene annam. Okay na? Jagrata chuskondi. Now CH3, CH2, N, CH3, CH2, here CH3. Then OH minus by heat. OH minus by heat, Nana. Answer. So we'll check alpha, beta carbon. Nitrogen, this is here attacked carbon, here alpha, here beta. This is alpha, here alpha. Again, here this is alpha, here beta. So two side beta. Carefully observe. Methyl side ledu. Methyl side no. Methyl side no. Only ethyl side, propyl side. This is ethyl side. Here propyl side. Two sides only beta. If here controversy, which beta will remove? Hydrogen, beta hydrogen, which one will remove? That is very important. So this is primary beta. This is what Nana, secondary beta. Primary beta, secondary beta. Now tell me, which is more important? Which is more important? Primary only. You know acidic nature. Primary hydrogen more acidic than secondary. Primary hydrogen more acidic than secondary. That's why what happened, Nana, here? Primary hydrogen cleavage means this side cleavage important. This side means here this is very important. Left side. Therefore here hydrogen, beta hydrogen from methyl. Our answer here CH2, here CH2. Then remaining nitrogen here, methyl here, methyl. Here propyl, Nana. Here is the double bond. Ethene is the major only. So this is ethene is the only major product. Propane also possible, but that is a minor. Ethene is more important. Ethene only more important. Okay, now right. కేర్ఫుల్ గా రెండు సైడ్లు రాసిన నేను ఇంతకుముందు 1-1 కానీ ఇప్పుడు బోత్ సైడ్ రాసి చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం. జాగ్రత్త చూడాలి మీరు. Now OH minus by heat, then what is our answer? This is also quaternary salt. Now this carbon is called as alpha, here beta. This is alpha, here beta. Both are same. Alpha same. Alpha carbons are same. Beta carbons also same. Alpha carbon same, beta. Okay, na? Therefore, we'll remove first from alpha carbon nitrogen bond will remove. From alpha carbon nitrogen bond cleaved. From beta carbon hydrogen, Nana. Both are same. That's why here cleavage here alpha, this beta. Now here nitrogen, CH3, CH3. This is over. Now this side here is the double bond. Okay, and here is the double bond. That's all. Okay. Double bond. Okay, now that is the product. Carefully observe. by heat. Now this is alpha carbon. This is also alpha. Now here this is beta, here beta, secondary beta, secondary beta. But this is also there. చాలా మంది ఆలోచించాలి, ఇది కూడా బీటానే, బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ప్రైమరీ బీటా. ప్రైమరీ బీటా నానా, ప్రైమరీ బీటా. మరి విచ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హియర్? రిమూవల్. This is important. Primary beta hydrogen or secondary beta hydrogen? Primary hydrogen is more acidic. That's why here is the bond cleavage. This side, right side bond cleavage. Right side alpha carbon nitrogen bond. Alpha carbon nitrogen bond. This bond. And here hydrogen is this side. So now our answer here check. Like this here, CH2. Then here nitrogen, methyl and methyl. Okay na? Next here is the double bond. So that is the major. మీరు అనుకున్న దానికంటే డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది ఆన్సర్. కనుక ఎసిడిక్ నేచర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ ఆఫ్ మెన్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ మిథిలేషన్, ఆఫ్ మెన్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ మిథిలేషన్ ఇండిరా. Acidic hydrogen important. Next case, pH, CH2, CH2, N, CH2, CH3 nana. Here this is the quaternary nitrogen. This is the quaternary nitrogen. Generally OH by heat. OH by heat nana. Then what is our answer? What is our answer? Check. Here this is alpha carbon, here beta. This is alpha carbon, here beta. Okay na? Now tell me, my question, right side beta hydrogen will remove or left side beta hydrogen remove? Tell me answer. Andariki question. Nenu right side una beta hydrogen left side beta hydrogen remove cheyali. Naku answer cheppandi. Left side hydrogen right side hydrogen remove cheyalna rayandi. Left aithe left anandi, right aithe right anandi. Right side hydrogen. Siddhartha right. Karthik Abhinav right. Arsha, Shevanti, Rahul, Harshita, Jayant right. Bharat, Sai Chendu right. Flight got right. Vaishnavi right. Srikar right. Pattini right. Balaji right. Abhinav right. Vinish right. Jahnavi, Sandhya, Varshita, Yashwant, Lahari, Kumar, Vaishnavi. ఇంతమంది అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ రెండోసారి రైట్. అందరు రాయట్లేరా, కొంతమంది రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు. అట్లా కాదు నానా. ప్రణయ్ రైట్. ఉదయ్ రైట్. అంటే మీరు ఆన్సర్ అనేదో అనుకోవద్దు. మహమ్మద్ రైట్. ప్రశాంత్ రైట్. మనీష్ రైట్. మీరు రైట్ తప్పు తెలవడం కోసమే. జ్యోతిర్మయి రైట్. అంటే అందరూ రాస్తూ రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలి, అప్పుడే మీరు. అంటే రాజేష్ రైట్. మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది, దానికోసం రాసేది. హర్ష ఓకేనా? గుడ్ రైట్. ఓకే. బట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ లెఫ్ట్ రా. ఎందుకంటే పిహెచ్ ఎవరు నానా? -I. withdrawing group నానా మరి నీకు ఇంత ముందు రాశాను ఏమనుకున్నాం withdrawing group is there more hydrogen is more acidic ఇది more acidic ఇది less acidic మరి ఏది రిమూవ్ చేయాలనుకున్నావు నాన్న మనం మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ వన్ చూసుకోవాలి చెప్పానుగా ఇప్పుడు ఇది విత్డ్రాయింగ్ ఇది లేకపోతే ఇది ప్రైమరీయే ఈ విత్డ్రాయింగ్ అనేది ఎక్స్ట్రా ఈ విత్డ్రాయింగ్ వల్ల హైడ్రోజన్ యొక్క ఎసిడిక్ నేచర్ మోర్ నానా కనుక ఇప్పుడు ఎటువైపు క్లీవ్ చేయాలి నేను లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ క్లీవ్ నాట్ రైట్ రాంగ్ దేర్ఫోర్ వాట్ ఇస్ అవర్ ఆన్సర్ నౌ పిహెచ్ సిహెచ్ డబుల్ బాండ్ సిహెచ్2 నానా ఇది మేజర్ అర్థమైంది కదా ఇది మేజర్ బంగారం సో మీరు చాలా అందుకోసం చెప్పింది విత్డ్రాయింగ్ డోనార్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి రా అని చెప్పింది నేను అందుకోసమే విత్డ్రాయింగ్ డోనార్ దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దాన్ని బట్టే మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ రాసుకోవాలి ఓకే విత్డ్రాయింగ్ ఉంటే ఏమైతే ఎసిడిక్ నేచర్ మోర్ అయింది ఆ విత్డ్రాయింగ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు దానివల్ల రియాక్షన్ రాయాలి ఓకేనా నాన్న ఇలా హాఫ్ మెన్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ మిథిలేషన్ రాసుకోండి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాడు ఆన్సర్ మీరు రాయండి వెరీ సింపుల్ తర్వాత మరి మిథైలేషన్ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ అనేది నైట్రోజన్ పైన ఎట్లా వస్తుంది ఒకవేళ RNH2 అనే గ్రూప్ ఉంది అనుకో దాంతో ఏం రాస్తాం మిథైల్ హైడ్రైడ్ తో రియాక్షన్ అప్పుడు ఈ HI గా రిలీజ్ అయిపోతుంది నౌ ద మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ అటాక్స్ టు నైట్రోజన్ ఇలా ఇంకొక హైడ్రోజన్ ఉందిగా ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఇంకొక మిథైల్ హైడ్రైడ్ దే విల్ గివ్ దెన్ మిథైల్ హైడ్రైడ్ ఈస్ గివన్ అగైన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ second methyl also attack here okay na again what happened one more methyl appudu ee methyl వచ్చి ఇక్కడ అటాక్ అవుతుంది నానా then మరి four side branches na so you will get quaternary salt like this మళ్ళీ దీనికి ఇప్పుడు మీరు సిల్వర్ ఆక్సైడ్ బై హీట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దెన్ OH మైనస్ విల్ గెట్ ఇలా మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ అయిన తర్వాత హియర్ విల్ గెట్ OH మైనస్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్వాటర్నరీ సాల్ట్ ఈ క్వాటర్నరీ సాల్ట్ ని మనం రియాక్షన్ రాసుకుంటూ పోతా ఉన్నాం ఈ క్వాటర్నరీ సాల్ట్ రియాక్షన్ రాసుకుంటూ పోతా ఉన్నాం ఓకేనా ఓకే ఓకే ఇలా 1 by 1 మిథైల్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఫస్ట్ అమోనియా తీసుకుందాం మిథైల్ హైడ్రైడ్ 1 మిథైల్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటెడ్ హియర్ సెకండ్ టైం మిథైల్ is second methyl third time like that here number of methyls we can introduce finally we'll get quaternary salt ఎందుకంటే కొన్నిసార్లు ఎగ్జామ్ లో అమైనియోతో స్టార్ట్ చేసి మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతారు మిథైలేషన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఎలిమినేషన్ అన్న E2 సింగిల్ స్టెప్ నో రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ ఇయర్ డోంట్ రైట్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ రా ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడే బీటా హైడ్రోజన్ రిమూవ్ చేయండి ఎన్ని బీటా ఉంటే అన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్ బట్ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ రిమూవల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాన్న ఓకేనా more acidic hydrogen then you will get product okay that is about half main exhaust methylation next pyrolysis of esters ఎస్టర్ అంటే ఎవరు నాన్న మనకి CO OR group. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఈ OR గ్రూప్ కి COR గ్రూప్ ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటే ఎస్టర్, ఇది R గ్రూప్. Now here RO COCH3 దీన్ని ఏమంటాం? ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్ యొక్క ఎస్టర్, ఎసిటేట్. ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్ యొక్క ఎస్టర్ ఎసిటేట్, ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్. Similar way here benzene ring pH is there, benzoate. pH is there, benzoate. Okay na? Like this here acetate and benzoate ester, any ester given, any esters are given, so the reaction same. Now I am taking ester CH3 CH2 O here COCH3R, both are same nana. Given here acetate reaction, here benzoate, acetate and benzoate. Acetate and benzoate. Anyone you can take. So now I am taking acetate. Both reactions are same. Acetate CH3 acetate I am taking. Careful ga vinandi. Pyrolysis ante heat, that's all. Delta ila rasanu kada, idi heat meaning. Now OH containing carbon is alpha, here also this is beta, here also beta. OH attacked carbon is alpha nana. OH attack aina carbon alpha, next one beta beta, next one beta beta. Okay na? In this case, so first from alpha carbon here carbon oxygen bond like quaternary salt. From alpha carbon carbon oxygen bond cleave. From beta carbon carbon hydrogen bond cleavage. Here also oxygen attack C double bond. Here also important acidic hydrogen, which is important here. Acidic hydrogen important. Removal of acidic hydrogen only important. You know, acidic order generally primary hydrogen more acidic and secondary than tertiary nana. The hydrogen attached to primary carbon is primary hydrogen. The hydrogen attached to secondary carbon is secondary hydrogen. The hydrogen attached to tertiary carbon is tertiary hydrogen. Tertiary hydrogen. Primary, second, tertiary nana. So that is important. So here you know this is primary hydrogen, here secondary hydrogen. So primary hydrogen is more acidic. Then what happened? First heat is given, carbon oxygen bond cleavage and beta hydrogen. Primary one is one product. This is what here Hoffman. So here half main only major, and secondary beta removed. Secondary beta removed. This is what Sedgwick product. Okay, na? But Sedgwick product here minor, Nana. So in this case, what is our answer, Nana? Sedgwick half main. Here also specialty half main major. Pyrolysis of ester. Pyrolysis of ester, Nana. Pyrolysis of ester is given there also. Half main product only major, not Sedgwick. Half main product only major. Why? Means it depends upon acidic hydrogen. Depends on acidic hydrogen. Okay, na? Now we'll see the mechanism. CH3 here, CH2, CH here, CH3. Okay. Tell me answer. Just heat. So whenever heat is given here, oxygen having lone pair that attached to acidic hydrogen. This is attached to acidic hydrogen, Nana. Here O, C double bond O, CH3, primary hydrogen here acidic. Now whatever this one is there, this oxygen ready to bond. So these electrons are coming here. These electrons are coming here. This one bond cleavage. More electronegative atom. Means this side minus, here plus. These electrons are there. Here minus. These electrons are there. Here minus, here H plus. So due to this one, oxygen getting negative charge, hydrogen plus means this H plus attacks to O minus. Again, here oxygen minus and H plus. H plus attacks here. CH3, CH2, more acidic one involved. Okay, na? First here acidic, here bond formation. Whenever bond means here old bond ready to cleave. Whenever old bond ready to cleave, new bond ready to form. Whenever new bond ready to form, this old bond ready to cleave. One old bond ready to cleave, new bond ready to form. When a new bond ready to form, old bond ready to cleave. Like this a change. Carefully observe cheyandi. So this is called as what, Nana? Transition state. This is what transition state. Transition state, okay, na? Jartha and acidic hydrogen side important. This is acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen only important. That's why primary side removal. Ikkada removal of hydrogen and oxygen both are present within the molecule. Within the molecule. Therefore, ఏమందాం? Intramolecular. So HO చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా ఇక్కడ క్లీవ్ అయ్యేది, ఇక్కడ క్లీవ్ అయ్యేది రెండు ఒకే మాలిక్యూల్ లో ఉన్నాయి. OH రెండు ఒకే మాలిక్యూల్ లో ఉన్నాయి. Within the molecular elimination. That's why దీని ఏమన్నా intramolecular elimination. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ ఎలిమినేషన్, ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ ఎలిమినేషన్, ఇంట్రామాలిక్యులర్ ఎలిమినేషన్. ఓకేనా? సో here intramolecular important reason, the hydrogen and oxygen present both are within the molecule, that's why intramolecular. Okay na? Finally here at end carbon double bond, at end carbon double bond, end carbon double bond in class lo unna tarvata. Okay, your answer here double bond. So this is the product formation. Which product here? Half-man product more important. Sarena? Half-man product more important. Okay. So intramolecular, therefore the mechanism is called as EI. EI means intramolecular elimination. Here no rearrangement, intramolecular no rearrangement. Remember, both are released, one is there, hydrogen and O both are present here within the molecule. That's why mechanism is not E1 E2, not E1 E2. Here mechanism is called nana EI, intramolecular elimination. EI mechanism, intramolecular elimination. Okay na? That is the importance here. Pyrolysis of ester, acid derivative నీకు తెలుసు already. So from acid derivative directly we can get, here mechanism is called as EI, intramolecular elimination. Okay na nana? Okay.